Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to bulk add customers onto Wave apps. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are possibly migrating to Wave apps from FreshBooks, or maybe you're coming from QuickBooks. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. Let's go ahead and get started. There's not a lot of steps involved, guys, but the first thing that we're going to go do is log on to our Wave Apps account. Then on the left-hand side, you want to click on Sales and Payments. And then next, what you want to do is click on Customers. So here I have an example customer already added. Now, the only way that you could actually add or bulk import customers onto Wave Apps is if you add your first customer. So if you're brand new to Wave Apps and you click this Customers tab here, it's going to ask you to actually add one customer first. So once you actually add that first customer and then revisit this page here, you're going to have this ability to import from CSV. So click on Import from CSV. And then from here, you can actually upload a spreadsheet. So this took me a while to actually figure out because I thought I had to add one customer at a time. But after I added my first customer, I was able to actually go ahead and upload a CSV file with all of my customers' information now. So you will get a preview of your CSV file once you actually upload one to here. But this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and bulk add customers onto Wave apps. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.